pretty excited today. What's hopefully going to be an epic session. I got the kayak on the roof, going to go out off Waikanai about 1 kilometre, drop a burley bomb, see if I can get some snapper and gurnard, or at least a couple of kahawai for fish and chips, and then head back in at low tide. I've got a mate meeting me at the beach with his son. We're going to do some pippies, do a pippy session. I hadn't been out for pippies for a couple of years, so looking forward to that. And then I've got the drag net in the boot too, so once we've got a feed of pippies, do a couple of drags, see if we can get some flounder and maybe some big paddle crabs, don't know. But hopefully it all goes really well. The only bit that I'm not looking forward to is the fact that where I'm parking, holy moly, I just saw Pawataha Nui in there. It is like glass. Where I'm parking is a long way from the beach. It's like just over 100 meters, and I got rid of my wheels for my kayak a few weeks ago because I'd had them for 2 years and I never used them. So I think I'm gonna just set it up on the beginning of the sand dunes and then just drag it across the beach. It's gonna be easier than doing trying to carry it and do 4 trips or whatever it takes me. So see you at Waikanai. Flat as a pancake, man. Just got a message from Pete, who I went out on the kayaks with in that last video. He's out of Ohau on a boat and already catching snapper, so just pulled up. Let's get set up. Burley. Just setting up on the beach. One thing I always do before I go out is set my burley up, so it's just ready to clip on or drop. Normally I bring a rock because I always want to make sure I'm fishing behind my burley. No point in the burley going one way and your bait sitting behind it. Nothing's going to find it. But it needs a rock, otherwise it floats up, and I forgot to bring one. So set up the burley. Oops. A few old few old pulleys. Actually, I might even always chuck a couple of pulleys in the footwell, so by the time I get out there they're thawed out. And then got a kahawai frame and bits from that last trip in my last video. Chuck that in with the burley bomb. I always bring 2 burley bombs because something like this, which is just flat sand, run out of burley, that's it, and we'll go home. At least 2 forms of communication. I've got my phone around my neck, and I've got an EPIRB in here. I also have a VHF at home, which I'm the first to admit I don't use enough, but I need to put some time in and learn how to use it properly. It was a bit of a schmozzle. Because I don't really want to paddle too far out, is paddle 1 kilometre out. It's only about 7 or 8 metres deep, but it's done alright. The only other time I've been out here, in about the same depth, so Current's running that way. Burley bag's on the rope, on the ankle rope. Kayak's facing this way, so the burley should wash through where I'm fishing. That's the theory anyway. See when you get a fish. What do we got? Took a, oh my god, it took so long and I've just dropped my first fish. Bollocks. Oh, that's frustrating. Oh, that looks like it might actually be hooked. Maybe. Oh.
On the license plates in New Mexico, they read the link.
Spin that camera around. Feisty. Wait. Man, this water is clear. Got a bite out of him. Quite a big bite out of him. That was on. Wait. Slow pitch jig. Just dangling. Put it back down again. That'll be right. No, I was just washing a kahawai actually, killing it. Anyway, it's got a good sized bite out of it. Yeah. Not just now, but it looks reasonably recent. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, just bleeding. Do you know what? I gotta go. Getting a bite. See ya. Oh, nice gurnard. Oh, really nice gurnard. Again, just on that slow jig. Sitting on the bottom. So it was my dad ringing and he said, oh, thought I'd bring you because when you get a distraction you quite often catch a fish. And I just finished catching the kahawai. See the big, it's got a decent bite out of it from reasonably recently. Anyway, as you saw, this guy jumped on the slow pitch jig, so okay, all happens at once. Bit of a change in tack. I think it might be another kahawai. I actually cast this soft bait out down my burley trail, and it's not a soft bait, sorry, slow jig. Nice gurnard actually. Alright, so it's worked once, I might try it again in a sec. Another nice gurnard. Sure, this guy just grabbed my slow jig. Something went weird and then he jumped up. Anyway. Oops. Ah, go away, man. You don't want this. It's got hooks in it. Here. Have that. Stay away from this though, mate. That's crazy business. You don't want a hook in your gut, and I don't want to have to unhook you. Oh well. Pretty quiet session compared to what I was hoping for. Don't think I had my burley set up very well. Hardly any of it had fed out when I went and had a look at it, which was really annoying. Anyway, a couple of nice gurnard and a kahawai. I'm going to tow this little rapala back to shore and go get some pippies. Meeting a couple of people over there in a few minutes, so see you for pippies. A pippy shuffle trying to find the pippy beds. Clear as today. All you got to do, shuffle your foot back and forward, and when you feel something, go down and see if it's a pippy. Might take me a while. I'll come back when I'm searching and searching. Millions of these, which tells me something's out of whack, because they're like just everywhere. I'm walking on them almost every step. Got like 5 pippies so far, and they're not very big pippies. But I'll keep searching. I don't know if you can see it, but there's quite a few pippy shells on the bottom. It's really clear today. I've just started finding a few in between all these bloody starfish things. Here we go, pippies. Oh, it's a bit small. Oh, just the one here. Whew. It's gonna be hard work getting a feed at this rate. Oh. Sounds dumb, but they move quickly. They bury themselves down really quickly, and I only got the one there. Since I've found them a bit better now, getting quite a few, although every time I turn the camera on that stops. There's quite a few small ones. It's been a hard fought feed of pippies though. Holy smokes, I'm knackered. Still got to go and drag the net too. When you find one, you sort of dig around it too. Sometimes it's 2 or 3. Woo! There, hard one feed of pippies. Not that many pippies, and it took a long time. But I haven't had any for ages, so yum. Add to the gurnard and the kahawai. Now with pippies, you got to put them in to salt water overnight to spit all the sand out. Otherwise, pretty sandy. So I've got a bucket there and a couple of bottles to take home. There's one still in there. Yeah. Oh well. Next, drag netting. Oh, I'm knackered. Got some flounder. No, we haven't. We've got pippies, gurnard, kahawai, and just got the net set up. We're going to take it out for a drag and see if we can't get a couple of flounder, maybe some big paddle crabs. We'll see what happens. And got Daniel here. Hey Daniel. I'm over there eating watermelon. See if we can get some flounder. Oh, so with the drag net, I've had this forever. It's just an old set net, Manuka polar either end. I think it's 20 meters, maybe 30,
basically we go straight out and then along in an arc like that, and then up the beach so that any flounder or anything that is stuck in it gets stuck in that weighted bit at the bottom. That's the plan. Last time we were here there was a lot of driftwood and we just ended up with shitloads of that in the net, but we'll see. Let's go. I don't think I can be bothered going out real deep today. That'll about do me, I reckon, today. I keep forgetting, I want to get long poles so you can drag it. These are stupid, but I've had them for... Dad cut them down 35 years ago when he bought the net. Right, that way. Just the one. Stretch it out. Oh. Not the biggest, but that's a fish.
It's alright, yeah. Look at that.
Do you reckon you could go and put that in the chili bag on the back of my kayak, Daniel? One drag, one flounder. No paddle crabs. I was hoping for some big ones maybe, but just going to chuck this in the chili bag and then go and do another drag, see if we can get a couple more. It'd be nice to get 4 or 5, but we'll see. Quite deep just here. Nice. 2 more.
2 more, Daniel.
We had another something bashed into the net, and well, yeah, it just crashed into the net and then took off somewhere else, I think. 2 more. I put them in the chili bin and then do 1 more drag and then I'm done for the day. I'm cooked. A long day of gathering kai. Just the one? Yeah. Just the one. Huh? I'm poked. What do we got? We got a couple of gurnard, nice kahawai, 4 flounder, and a bucket full of pipi. Well, decent feed of pippies for me and Jeanette and the 2 kids. So, bit of a mixture: kayak fishing, drag netting, pippies. Pretty cool. See you next time.